let's get this thing opened, okay? Without further ado, in 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Briana is going places. Nothing has changed since last time. I am still Briana, and as always, I'm super excited that you decided to watch my video today. I am going to be unboxing the DJI Pocket 2 camera. So usually, was that upside down? Usually I film with my camera that I'm filming with now, Canon Rebel T6i. But I've wanted to get a little bit more into vlogging and doing videos on the go, and this camera is a little bit too big for that. So I wanted to find something that was a little bit smaller, more compact, that I could just take with me. I considered a couple different cameras. I'm gonna link the videos that I watched in my description because I think they were really helpful. Cameras like the Sony ZV-1, I think, ZV-10, the Canon Mark 50 1 and 2. Things like that. But ultimately, since I have a DSLR camera already, and I wanted to stay below a certain price range, I decided to go with this one. I also get very nervous walking around filming. I'm not at the point yet where I am like, I don't care what people think, I'm just gonna do what I want. I'm sorry, it's not me. Not yet, at least. I'm working on it. But this camera was small enough that I felt like I would feel comfortable walking around with it and doing whatever I want. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the camera, what it looks like out of the box. Or not even out of the box. This is the box for the camera. Very whatever. So let's open this baby up. Ooh, DJI. Okay, so right up front we have the camera itself. I can't take this out. So this is the camera in its little case. Pull it out. This says remove. I don't know if you can see that. You definitely can't. Remove before powering on. So we're gonna remove that right away. And let's power this baby on. Let's see if it actually has power. Ooh, right away. No SD card. Focusing failed. We are in English though. It's looking at you, looking at me. That's crazy. How do I say I want English? Oh, it's touchscreen. Device not activated. So that's the camera itself. Let me turn it off for now. Okay. We've got some other things in here. I'm trying to do this upside down. This is a little mic cover, a wind cover for a mic. We've got this doesn't want to come out. A joystick. Move that around. I don't want to take this out, but this looks like a lens. Yeah, this is like a wide angle lens. Some sort of lens. That I need to be careful with. Wow, there's so many things. Oh, this is like a charger adapter, I think. plug it in to your, when you need it to charge or be in your phone. So I got the creator kit, forbidden candy. I got the creator combo. When I initially bought this camera, I just bought the camera and realized it wasn't gonna be really useful, just the camera. This is, I guess, if you have an iPhone, Android superiority. I realized it wasn't gonna be good, and then this thing with two ends, I think that's, I don't know why that has two ends there. You see, USB and USB-C. And a little wrist strap. I don't know where this goes. Right there. I don't know, I'm not a boy. I don't know how to do this. Just kidding, I said I'm not a boy for, not like women don't know how to do things, but I'm just gonna slip that back in there. Okay, so we have this little thing under. Ooh. This looks like basically DJI Pocket manual and guide. Some more stuff. Oh, we got some stickers. We love stickers. I don't know the disclaimer and safety guidelines. Some lifetime guarantees, not lifetime, whatever. Okay, that was all that was in this little slot. And now we have this stuff. So this part is the part that the regular camera, if you buy it, doesn't come with. This is the part that you need to make it attached to your phone. So that's the part that I did not have, and I was like, oh, I need this. This looks like it's the transmitter for the microphone. This is a tripod mount. I don't know if that's in focus, but this is a tripod mount. I don't know which way that was in there. I think that's it. And this is a tool for attacking people when they are bothering you. I actually really don't know what that's supposed to be. Let's see. So yeah, this is it. That's the camera. This is the camera out of its box. It is very tiny. It's so compact. This is it compared to my hand. So you can tell like it's very small. It's actually making me feel a little self-conscious because I don't think my hands are that big. I've never been self-conscious about my hands. But now this camera is like, okay, I just want to be dainty. But yeah, it's really small. I need to get it set up, so I can't really show you like what the camera part looks like. Actually, maybe I can. Let me see. It does have its own little screen right here, and you can, it like moves with you, which is really awesome. So when you're, it tracks you like, hey, I'm over here. Hey, I'm over here. It's just following me, which is so cute. So you'll be able to see what this camera looks like on some of my future videos. I'm planning to take it around and just test it out and get used to it. And I will make sure to put in the description moving forward which camera I'm using, so you can kind of get a long-term look on the differences between these two cameras, and if you're deciding to shop for your own. Like I mentioned, I did actually initially get just the camera by itself. And one thing I will say about just the camera by itself, or this camera in general from my experience using it the first time, is that it does not have an external battery. So that's something to consider when you're thinking of getting a camera like this. When I was using it, it did last me a while. I could use it for a good chunk of the day. I won't say the whole day if you're filming consistently, but I've gotten a portable battery pack, and I think that will help me kind of thwart that this doesn't have an external battery. So that's something that I didn't realize when I bought it, but it's something to consider, especially if you're gonna be using it as a camera all the time, if you're vlogging, if you're on the go, what have you. So yeah, that's it. This is done. This is unboxed. Look, this is the box. This is it, unboxed. Boom, nailed it. I did what I said I was gonna do. come at me. Don't come at me. I did what I said. So let me know if you have this camera or have any experiences with this camera, what your favorite vlogging camera is if you are a fellow vlogger. And don't forget to like my channel, like this video, like my channel too in your heart. Subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for my future videos. You don't know what you're gonna get with me, which I like. I like to do whatever I wanna do. Hopefully you like to see them. You'll find something that you enjoy, I think. Okay, so have a great rest of your day and have a great rest of your life if I never see you again. Bye. 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 Well, yeah, bye. This thing says bye too. Bye from both of us.